For 5 years, she did everything correctly. She budgeted carefully, skipped vacations, avoided unnecessary spending, worked overtime constantly, saved every extra dollar she could. While friends spent money freely, she stayed disciplined. And honestly, people quietly judged her for it. "You only live once. Why are you so obsessed with saving? Enjoy your money." But she ignored the comments. Because deep down, she believed she was building safety, protection, a future where money wouldn't control her life anymore. And slowly, her savings account grew. At first, the progress felt tiny, then meaningful. Eventually, it became the largest amount of money she had ever seen in her life. For the first time, she felt stable. Not rich, stable. And that feeling changed her emotionally. She slept better, panicked less, stopped checking her bank account constantly. Because for years, her savings represented security. Until one phone call changed everything. A family emergency. Sudden, serious, expensive. The kind of situation nobody prepares for emotionally. Within days, the money she spent years building started disappearing rapidly. Hospital bills, travel costs, unexpected expenses, one payment after another. And honestly, watching her savings shrink felt physically painful. Because those numbers represented years of sacrifice, years of discipline, years of saying no to herself. Now suddenly, it was disappearing almost overnight. That experience broke her emotionally for a while. Not only because of the emergency, but because she started asking herself a terrifying question. What was the point of saving all that money if it can disappear this fast? That question changes many people psychologically, because emergencies expose something uncomfortable about life. Financial stability can feel fragile, no matter how hard you prepare. For weeks afterward, she felt defeated, exhausted, angry. Part of her wanted to stop caring about money completely, to stop budgeting, stop sacrificing, stop planning for the future. Because emotionally, it felt like all her effort had been erased. And honestly, many people experience this after financial setbacks. Not just the loss of money, the loss of motivation. That's the hidden damage emergencies create. But slowly, something important changed her perspective. One night, while reviewing everything she had spent, she realized something powerful. Without those savings, the situation would have been catastrophic. Debt, panic, borrowing money, financial destruction. But because she had prepared, she had options. That realization changed everything. Because suddenly, she stopped viewing her savings as lost money and started viewing it as protection that worked exactly as intended. That's when she understood the true purpose of savings. Savings are not only for growing numbers in a bank account. They are for survival during moments life becomes unpredictable. And life will become unpredictable eventually. That realization completely changed how she viewed financial security. Because many people think emergency funds are unnecessary, until life proves otherwise. A medical emergency, job loss, family crisis, car breakdown, unexpected responsibilities. Life changes fast. And financial preparation creates breathing room during those moments. That breathing room matters more than people realize. Because money cannot remove pain, but it can reduce chaos. And reducing chaos during emergencies is incredibly valuable. Eventually, she started rebuilding her savings again. Slowly, painfully, but differently this time. Before the emergency, she viewed saving money almost like a finish line. Now, she viewed it as ongoing protection, a system, not a temporary challenge. That mindset shift changed everything. Because real financial stability isn't about never facing problems. It's about becoming more resilient when problems arrive. And honestly, that's a much healthier understanding of money. Looking back now, she says something interesting. The emergency didn't destroy my savings. It proved why I needed savings in the first place. That perspective changed her completely. Because many people misunderstand financial preparation. They think saving money guarantees life becomes easy. It doesn't. It simply gives you more options when life becomes difficult. And options are powerful. The story also reveals something deeper about money psychology. Many people save money while secretly hoping emergencies never happen. But true financial maturity means understanding the opposite. Emergencies are normal. Unexpected situations are part of life. And preparing for uncertainty is one of the most powerful financial decisions anyone can make. That's why emergency funds matter so much psychologically. They don't just protect finances. They protect mental stability. Because financial panic during crises makes painful situations even worse. And honestly, that emotional protection is difficult to measure until you experience it personally. The truth is, her 5 years of saving were not wasted. Not even close. Those savings protected her during one of the hardest moments of her life. That's real financial success. Not luxury. Not showing off. Protection. Resilience. Stability during chaos. And honestly, that's a side of wealth social media rarely talks about. Because financial freedom isn't only about becoming rich. Sometimes it's simply about surviving difficult seasons without destroying your future. That matters too. So now I'm curious, have you ever experienced a financial emergency that completely changed how you view money? Comment below. And if you want more videos about money psychology, financial habits, and realistic financial freedom,